In this video, we will talk about subject and subject-verb agreements. So the subject of a sentence can be a person, a place, a thing, or an idea that is performing the action, whatever the action might be, and what is being described in the sentence. It is typically a noun or pronoun. So if you remember that, a subject is usually a noun, which is a person or a place or a thing, or a pronoun, which takes the place of a noun in a sentence, such as she or he. In this example, you see Sarah went to the store, Sarah being the subject and noun, but you could replace Sarah with the pronoun and say she went to the store. Pretty simple, right? Now again, noun as a subject would be Sarah enjoys reading. And then a pronoun as a subject is she enjoys reading. You can see the difference here. When referring to Sarah with a pronoun, we would say she. The subject usually comes before the verb in a sentence. It can be a single word or a group of words, such as a noun phrase. Let's find out what the subject is in this short sentence. The cat sleeps. The cat is the one performing the action, right? Then the verb sleeps is the action the subject is performing. So we could say the cat sleeps on the sofa to complete the sentence. So the cat sleeps on the sofa, and sleeps again is the verb, which is the action the cat is doing and performing. Now let's look at this as an example with subject-verb agreement. What do you think it is? She runs every morning or she run every morning? When we talk about subject-verb agreements, it refers to the rule that a subject and verb in a sentence need to match in number. So if the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. Or if the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. So with this example, what do you think is the correct statement? She runs every morning or she run every morning? What do you think? The answer is she runs every morning. In the correct example, the singular subject, she, matches the singular verb runs, which shows an action. You need the S on it here. In the incorrect example, the singular subject she does not match with the plural verb run, because you would use run, such as they run every morning. So runs is the singular verb. Let's look at this again. The dog run or runs in the park every morning. What do you think? The dog runs in the park every morning. That is the correct answer, because dog is a singular noun, so the verb must be singular and be the singular form as well, which is runs. Run is incorrect because it is plural form again, which does not match the singular subject dog, even though there's two dogs here. This is just a picture. But yeah, it's just one dog. The dog, it says in this statement. Now in this one, what is the correct verb to complete this sentence? The team of scientists is or are presenting their findings today. What do you think? The correct answer is because it is a collaborative noun treating a singular in the context. So the verb should be is, basically referring to multiple scientists. Is correct because when you think about one scientist, you wouldn't say the scientist is presenting their findings or presenting his or her findings today. You would use are in that situation. But when speaking of a team of scientists, multiple people, is presenting their, is matches their findings today. Are here is incorrect because although scientists is plural, the subject team is considered a single unit. So this can get a little bit confusing. But when team is used, it is considered a single unit. Let's look at another one to make more sense. Okay, now choose the correct verb to complete this sentence. Each of the students has or have a different project to work on. What do you think? Each of the students has or have a different project to work on. The answer here is has. The reason being is that each is singular, so the verb should be in the singular form as well, which is has. The incorrect answer, have, is incorrect because it is the plural form, which does not match the singular subject of each. So it's important to understand the each here. This is a singular subject, each is. Okay, good job. In the next video, we will talk about tense consistency. I'll see you then.